Guys, I literally can't speak today. I'm so excited. And it goes a little something like Hi guys, it's Yash here and welcome back to Jess and Yash. So I'm super excited about this. I finally have a mondoongie. So yeah, I'm going to the MONSTA X VR Hair tour in New York on Saturday, and I just thought that what a perfect opportunity to finally get the lightstick that I've been wanting forever. So I got my lightstick from Choice Music LA, and they do have a store, a physical store in LA, so you can go there if you live in that area. If not, then they do have their website, and they sell other things like albums and merch and stuff, so you can definitely check them out. I think that their prices are very reasonable. So I paid for my lightstick. For the lightstick cost about $50 or $49.99 if I'm not mistaken, but $50, and I had to pay about 60 something, 64. I paid about 60 something because of the shipping. They do offer free shipping if you order above a certain amount that I cannot remember at the moment, but my order was not over that amount, so I had to pay like $12, $14 for shipping. Let's just open it. It came in this box. Well, no, it didn't come in this box. It came in the regular boxes that you use for packaging with like padded and stuff. So great packaging. So your lightstick is like that. It has the MONSTA X logo on the front, and it says MONSTA X Lightstick 2. On the back, it has the mondoongie logo, and I just think that is so cute. And then a bunch of things that I'm not gonna read out loud. So let's open it. Oh my god. Oh, actually, hold on. This also came in the box. And it's just the unofficial photo card of Johan. We Are Here era. And it has Choice Game on the back. I also got a Choice Game sticker in it, in the box, but I already pasted that on my laptop. It's so pretty. Oh my god, it's so pretty. It is oh my god. So it comes with a stand. It has the MONSTA X logo there, and you just put your lipstick on it, like for showing purposes, like, oh, look at my lipstick I have on. You just displayed in your room, like, yay. I'm sorry. It says MONSTA X on the bottom here. It has the MONSTA X logo here. On the button, it's here with the MONSTA X logo as well. And it just looks like this. Comes with a manual. Comes with the manual, of course. And I started like everything else does, because manuals are important. And the last thing in the box is this strap thingy for safety. I'm gonna call it a strap, even though I'm pretty sure that there's a name for it, because I do not know at the moment. Okay, so time to open this bad boy up. So you just screw it off like so, and take this thing out, and it uses AAA batteries, 3 of them. And I brought my batteries with me. It didn't come with batteries, by the way. These are my batteries that I have, and you just stick them in. How you stick it in batteries, but you just pop that in there and screw the little guy back on. I'm sorry, I'm not this straight as screws. Yes, and nice and tight. And it comes with 3 settings: just steady on, blinking, and flicker and off. Oh my god, I want to hug it. It's so pretty. So I read online somewhere that if you pull down the button for God knows when, if you hold down the button for like, I don't know, 10 15 seconds, then it flashes little colors. So let's see. Any day now. Am I doing this right? Oh, there it is. Oh, okay, so it flashes colors really shortly for a short time. Actually, the mondoongie is able to change to different colors, but unfortunately, people have been saying that if you connect your light stick to your Bluetooth on your phone, then it can damage the light stick, where it just flashes blue randomly. Even when it's off, it just flashes blue. So don't connect your mondoongie to Bluetooth unless you're at the venue and they have the Bluetooth poles. Then you can connect to those, and the staff will control the light. So connects to the Bluetooth at the venue, and that will control the light, what color this is, depending on the mood or the song or whatever. So I'm actually really excited to use this. I'm really grateful that I could like buy one with my own money. I feel accomplished, and I can't wait to use it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Oh my god. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.